How to buy Viki Premium subscription, or also known as Viki Pass. Now Viki is an Asian dramas and movies application. If you've been using it for free quite recently and then you also decided you want to subscribe to its premium version, which is called the Viki Pass, on your Android phone, it's pretty much very simple. Just launch the Viki application and this is the type of interface that you will see. Right after you log in, at the very top right hand side you can see the option that says Get Viki Pass. So just tap on the Get Viki Pass option there, and this is the type of interface. Here you can choose a couple of standard options as well as the plus option. You can be used for annual billing or monthly billing, just based on what you prefer. Tap on the start free trial option. Simply choose a payment method, so you can redeem a gift card code if you have. You can also add a credit or debit card to your Google Play account, or you can also choose to load with your PayPal account. After you've entered a certain payment info, as long as they're correct and that they have sufficient balance, your Viki Pass will be successfully activated. This way you will be able to actually go ahead and then basically subscribe or buy the Viki Pass subscription on Android. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in our next video.